Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to thank all my subbies for their love and support and for supporting me on this crafty journey, for subscribing to my channel, for commenting, for sharing love. I appreciate all of you. I'm here today to draw the winner of my 400 subbie challenge giveaway. I will link the link to the original video in the description box below, but all you had to do was send in a Memoerydex and do a VR and be a visible subscriber to my channel. So as you can see, these are all the cards, 29 entries from all over the United States. So this winner that I draw is gonna win a $25 PayPal credit. So I will give you 5 days to contact me. I know that I don't get to watch videos on a daily basis, or that I have a lot of videos to watch that I don't get the time to finish them all. So I usually run around 5 days, behind, and so I miss sometimes if I want a giveaway, and I can't expect you guys to not be busy and have lives. So I give you 5 days to contact me by email. My email is in the description box below. Send me your PayPal address and I will get that credit. So I just wanted to go over each of the entrants one more time, and hopefully they're in order. We'll find out, but let's put this off to the side a little. Okay, so the first one is from ORM Crafty Designs, number 4, which is by Sweet Tea and Grace. Number 3, which is It's a Deal. I've gone through the Memoerydexes a few times, so I guess I must have taken them out of order. Number 5, My Scrapbook Loft. This is number 6, Polite Creations. Number 2, VSJ Crafts. I think they might be in order now, from now on. This one here, I think, is Katso Creates. Yes. And this one here is number 8, The Gypsy Nana. And this one here is number 9, Lady J Crafts. Number 10, Carmen's Treasures. Number 11, Sweet Girly Things. Number 12, Zenobia Noor. Number 13, Mary Ellen. 14, Artistic Pores and More. 15, Crafting with Fury. 16, The Polka Dot Pinecone. 18, Suzanne Noko. 17, Crafting with Gabby. 19, Gina Lovato. 20, VI Crafter KB. 22, Kimberly Cochran. 21, The Crafty Sensei. 22, Hands of a Miracle. 24, Love to Create. 25, Dana Girls Designs. 27, Mary Jane's Reviews. 28, Pamela's Creations. 26, Craft On. And last but not least, 29, Kathy O'Sullivan. Good luck, ladies. So I'm just going to use Siri to pick a random number between 1 and 29. Let me get my Siri on. Hey Siri, pick a random number between 1 and 29.
The answer is 7.
So let's see who was 7. And my winner is Katso Creates. Hey Kathy, congratulations. So Kathy, email me. You have my email, but if not, it is in the description box below. Send me your PayPal address, girl. Congratulations, everyone. And thank you so much again for all your love and support. I appreciate your continued support moving forward. Watch for more giveaways, challenges, and more crafty projects. Till the next video. Shakas! For more videos, like and subscribe here.